Hey guys, Ollie here from Local Knowledge. We're aboard my brand new 39 Contender Fish Around. It's equipped with Simrad electronics, and one of the features I'm most excited about with this new boat is the new Halo radar with bird mode. I've had bird mode in the past. I'd say the results were okay. Now, this is a whole new dome and a whole new system that's supposed to produce incredible results when looking for birds. I'm looking for birds typically in the early to mid season, just when I'm looking for that foaming tuna, just out of eyesight or past my binoculars. With my binoculars, I can see a foamer or pick up a couple birds at like 2 miles. So anything past 2 miles is really gonna be an advantage. And that's what I wanna test here today. We're on the 9-mile bank. There's generally some birds somewhere nearby. I'm gonna hit my menu button here and I'm gonna start transmitting. It's looking for my scanner. It'll take a minute to spin up. Sounds like we're spinning up there on the roof. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is go to mode, which is over here on the menu. And you can see it's got all these options, bird, bird plus. Let's try bird plus, because plus is definitely better than not having it. Now it's showing a bunch of marks, and I'm assuming it's gonna kind of tune out the stuff that it deems as noise. Or maybe it's too close up right now. Let's see. I'm zooming out here. I want to go to like 4 miles. So you are going to have some residual noise, and you just need to block that out visually. But what I do see is here at about 1:30, 2 o'clock at 2 miles, it's consistently painting these smaller targets with a blue outline on them. And that typically on a bird radar is what a bird would look like, or a pack of birds. I'm just going to run out here a little bit. Let's see if that's actually some birds. Well, as you can see, I had some marks I thought were birds. I pointed the boat towards them. I ran 2 miles and look what I found. It's actually better than birds. It's a whole pot of dolphin with birds on it. Now, right now, it's April. They're not going to be holding tuna, but in the middle of summer, being able to find birds that lead you to dolphin a couple miles away is pretty impressive. Now, I don't see anything that's a little further out to test right now, so I'm going to do some more testing and I'll report back. But I mean, that right there, there's 6, 8, 10 birds on this pod of dolphins. We saw them from 2 miles away on radar, ran right to them, and not only did we find the birds, but we found life that could definitely be holding fish a little in the season. So far, first try, I did it with you. I'm super impressed. If you want to learn more about these kind of tips and tricks, I'm going to be doing more videos on working with my new Simrad system, showing you how to get dialed in and really fish the way that the pros do and cut that learning curve. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, leave us a comment. Let us know what else you'd like to see. And if you like our channel, just give us a follow. We have this content coming out weekly, and we hope you enjoy it. We'll see you back here soon.